Hey everyone, today I'm trying something new with my makeup. All my makeup is on today. I have put it all on, everything's good. The only thing I didn't do is put on my finishing spray. I really want to test this out and see how finishing spray really works. Today I'm not putting it on. Yesterday and almost every day before I have put on the finishing spray and it has looked beautiful and it's been really hard to get off my face. So today, at the end of the day, I'm going to post another video and show you how I look. I'm going to try to get right in the sun so you can see my makeup today. And no finishing spray today. So I'm going to see how the rest of my makeup looks in a few hours to see if there really is a difference with finishing spray. Hey, remember I told you it was a no finishing spray day. I want to tell you what I do use. I use Revolution Pro Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray. So it's oil control. And look at my face. Like the light shining on it. Woo! I could be a disco ball. Woo, woo, woo. Seriously. So today was I can't see. No finishing spray today. And you can see that my face is really oily and my face got cakey like crazy. Oh, I don't know if you can see that, but look at that. Oh my God, I can't see it without my glasses, but it is really gross. Now watch this. This is gonna be the fun part. Did you see that? Oh, I got X on my face. So all my makeup came off just by wiping it, and that usually doesn't happen when I use finishing spray. I can probably do it on my forehead too. Whoop. Ah, gross. So, finishing spray really does work. Let me check out my eyes, because, let me get up a little bit higher here. Oh yeah. See how cakey it is? It's fun, isn't it? Real pretty. So, finishing spray really does work. And for someone like me with oily skin, this stuff is the bomb. This is really, now I know that it works. And once I wash my face, I know it's gonna come off really easy. But during the day, we don't want it to come off very easily, do we? Especially for people like me who touch my face all day. And I just wiped off all my makeup, I swear. So, yeah, finishing spray. Yeah, you want to do it, okay? All right. That was my take on finishing spray today.